Hi, good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Srijithas, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to discuss a case study on microwave sterilization on palm oil fruit. So, palm oil is an edible vegetable oil that is derived from the mesocarp of the fruit of the oil palms, primarily the African oil palm, and also a lesser extent from the American oil palm. So, these are the varieties, different varieties of palm trees that will yield palm oil fruit. The palm oil fruit, the mesocarp is used to extract the kind of palm oil that forms an edible vegetable oil. So, the use of palm oil is in food products has attracted the concern of environmental groups. So, it is a biological product. It yield high oil of the trees has encouraged wider cultivation of the palm oil trees, leading to a clearing of the forest in the parts of Indonesia that has moved to a wider range of palm oil monoculture development. So this has resulted in significant losses in the natural habitat in few countries, but still this forms a major part of the economy in most of the nations. So we'll be looking into how palm oil fruit can be sterilized with the help of microwave. So before going into that, so what is the need for sterilization? Sterilization is the process of heating something or reheating a substance. So in order to eliminate certain unwanted bacteria, unwanted fungus, unwanted mucus in that. So these kinds of unwanted biological waste can be removed with the help of sterilization. It also preserves the device from many kind of things that can degrade the quality of the fruit. So conventional sterilization in palm oil utilize the heat to soften the fresh fruit bunch in a pressurized vessel to detach the mesocarp and kernel as well as the nut from the fruitlet. It also inactivates the generation of lipase enzyme that triggers the formation of the free fatty acid and breaks the oil bearing cells for easier extraction. However, the utilization of a pressured vessel encounters frequent production interruption due to regular inspections of the pressure vessel, which will finally reduce in production efficiencies. So, to improve the sterilization process, microwave radiation technology was introduced to efficiently halt the reaction of enzymatic lipolysis leading to a FFA production. So the present study proposes that an innovative atmosphere pressurized hybrid steam microwave sterilization process or method to perform sterilization of palm fruit under a continuous process without the need of the use of a pressurized vessel that is being commonly used as a conventional method for that. So the present study proposed so that the analysis focused at establishing the feasibility of the adoption of a hybrid sterilization process for a future implementation in a palm oil industry. So we will be seeing in detail of the case study. So dear students, so this is a typical the vessel that has been used. This is a microwave vessel or a microwave cavity device that is used to sterilize the palm oil or heat the palm oil. So this is the industrial structure for palm oil sterilization. It's a big microwave device, microwave tubical structure that is used to heat our palm oil, and these are the structures, and this is the whole process of that, and the whole process is explained in this block diagram. So in this case study, we mainly focus on the effectiveness of microwave heating. So the traditional heating techniques that has been used has a lot of drawbacks because temperature adjustments cannot be done at times, or the temperature adjustments will not be sufficient enough to ensure the heating process is okay. But in case of microwave sterilization, we could adjust the temperature. We could heat the bunch of microwave uniquely or overall in an equal proportion. We could heat the bunch of microwave devices. So in the so we can see the microwave fruit is the first major step, the initial step in the processing of palm oil fruit is that sterilization process. So here microwave sterilization will be applied, and after sterilization purpose the fruit will be applied to your palm oil fruit peeler. The mesocarp of the device, that the outer layer will be peeled off, then it is applied to a crusher and then to an oil press. So we will be obtaining a red oil, and this red oil will be going to a setting tank, and the decolorization will be taking place, that deodorization will be after taking place there. So these two processes will remove the odor as well as that dark color of the oil, and after that we will be getting the palm oil. This palm oil is an edible oil that can be used for cooking purpose, that find as an alternative to many costly other cooking oils. So this is the typical application or case study of microwave sterilization utilization in a typical food industry. Thank you, dear students.